Okay, just past the section 26 comfort station, you'll find section 27, and you're also going to find Hidden Lake. Here we go. That's where they stock the trout and the catfish. Section 27. There's the 19th hole. Yeah, I'm doing exactly 20 miles an hour. This is a Gopro Hero 8, and I've got on the wind reduction and video stabilization because it's clipped to the front of my scooter. We're back to the 19th hole again. Hello. I'll show you the other two streets in here. We're still in section 27. Now we're cutting through the middle of section 27. Bunch of nice trees in here. Okay, that pretty well concludes our tour of section 27. There's two more spots worth mentioning. Kind of funny, actually. This was actually going to be a gate someday. Wouldn't it be nice if Woodhaven had two gates? You have a front gate and a back gate. And more security guards. Here we go. Okay, so now you know where the second gate was going to be someday. Okay. That almost concludes our tour of section 27, but we have one more cul-de-sac to go into. It's called Spruce Court. I see they painted there. street sign nicely. The rest of Woodhaven should do that. Okay, that concludes our tour of section 27. I hope you enjoyed it.